Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Survey Complete English Solution. This is your English educator Amit and today I'm going to teach you noun. Already I taught you parts of speech at this type in previous video. Just go through that video and first get the basic information. Okay, so there are 8 parts of speech I told you and I am going to teach you one by one in the separate video lecture. So noun. So before I start the video, I would like to request you, please share this channel and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for complete notification, for all the notifications. Okay, please like this video if you don't, if you like it. Okay, so let's go through now. So from very childhood, we have been taught that what is noun, what is noun. Noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing. First definition. Noun is the naming word. Second definition. Any name in the world is noun. This is the great definition. Any name. Noun is basically was the naming word. Any name in the world is called noun. Here, fourth, anything which you see, feel, touch, smell or touch. See, feel, touch, smell or taste. Sorry. What is this? 5 sense. Whatever we do from our 5 sense, all things comes under noun. Okay, everything in the world, what we can see, feel, touch, smell or taste is called noun. Let's go through the example. First we will go through the type. Basically there are 2 type of noun. There are 5 type. I am telling. First, concrete, abstract. In this category, 4 types: common, proper, collective, material comes under this category, and abstract is separate. Okay, so let's go through common noun first. Name of a class, category, a class, single class of person, place, animal or thing, anything. I have written as ocean, city, person, anything. You can take example. Suppose a say city. City, I am taking a category of all the cities of the world. That is called city. Ocean, all the oceans of the world. Person, all the person of the world. It is common noun. It is not specified, so it is common noun. Okay, understood. Proper noun, particular, specific. Here what we have done, we have specified name that is limited to one. We have just limited to one, that is proper noun. Ocean, we say ocean. Hind, ocean. We say city, Patna city. We say person, Amit. Whatever name that we have done limited to one, that is called proper noun. Particular name, but a specific name. Okay, these 2 are very easy, I know that. And collective noun, collection, group of common noun. People get confused, students get confused. What is collective noun? Collective noun is the group of common noun. It is nothing but a group of common noun. How it is so? Class. Students comes in the class, student make a group, people. Person makes a group called people. Army is making the group here. People are doing what? Crowd, bunch, committee. You can see all are placed in the group of common nouns. So collection is made, that collection is called collective noun. Okay, and these all nouns I will take you in details through the separate video lecture. Basically collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. Okay, so let's go through material noun. Noun can't be counted. Noun we can't count 1 2 3 4 like this, but measured or weighted. Measure or weighted. Here I have written, see the down. It can't be counted but measured or weighted. One more definition is the name of any material, substances, from which another material is formed. Okay, that material is called material noun. And material noun is natural resources. Okay, let's go through the example. This example, gold water. Okay, gold water. Here is the example I've written. Curd is made of milk. So see, What is made? Curd is milk. From which? Milk. So which is the material noun? Milk is the material noun from which the material is made. From which? So it is made from milk. Milk is material noun. Curd is different. Okay. So milk is material noun and curd is made by milk. So material noun is basically comes under natural resources. Okay. So this is all about material noun. So you can say it can be measured or count weighted but can't be counted. Okay. So here abstract noun. Feeling, idea, quality or concept. Whatever feeling is there, idea is there, quality is there or concept is there, can't see or touch. We can't see and we can't touch. Can't we see the feeling? Can't we see the idea? No. So best example here I have written happiness, sadness, beauty, kindness, talent. We can't see your talent. We see, we can feel the talent. We can feel the happiness. We can feel the sadness. One more example is coming in my mind. I want to write here. So very good example. Suppose सबसे बड़ा लोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. Okay. So he laughed at my idea. Why he is laughing? Because सबसे बड़ा लोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. Whatever you are starting something new and you are saying to another one, say this is my idea, people are laughing at you. So he laughed at my idea. So idea is what? Abstract noun. Okay. So these 5 noun I taught you today. But please comment. Should I teach all nouns separately or not? Because it is not. It is only the basic information. It is not a detailed information about the noun. Because those who are preparing for the competitive exam, they want to gather the complete information with example, so that I will try to make the separate video for this noun. Okay. And so I have created already playlist. I will go to the playlist and see the basic spoken English videos. So till the time, bye bye, take care, see you this time.